For the best price, click the link in the description, /n. Are you tired of struggling to make slushies at home? Maybe you've tried those expensive machines that just don't live up to their promises. But here's what surprised me about the SYINTAO Slushie Machine. It's one of the most affordable options on the market with a price tag that's hard to beat. But there's a catch, and it's not what you think. Instead of being some flimsy, poorly made machine, the SYINTAO Slushie Machine is actually a solid piece of equipment that's packed with features. It can make up to 3 liters of slushie at once, which is perfect for parties or family gatherings. Therefore, I'm not here to trash talk this product. In fact, I've done my research and gathered some surprising insights about the SYINTAO Slushie Machine that will blow your mind. So let's dive in and explore what makes it tick, or rather, what doesn't make it tick as well as we'd hope. But first, let me ask you this. Have you ever tried to make slushies at home only to end up with a mess on your hands? Maybe the machine was too complicated to use, or maybe it just didn't live up to its promises. Whatever the reason, I'm here to tell you that the SYINTAO Slushie Machine may not be the solution to all your problems. Therefore, what sets this product apart from others on the market is its ease of use and durability. But as we'll explore later, there are some issues with customer service and after-sales support. /n. When I first got my hands on the SYINTAO Slushie Machine, I was excited to see how it would perform. After all, it had great reviews online, so I thought it was a sure bet. But what I quickly discovered was that it's not without its flaws. But here's the thing. The SYINTAO Slushie Machine is still a solid choice for those who want to make slushies at home. It may not be perfect, but it gets the job done, and with some minor tweaks, you can even get better results than expected. Therefore, I've put together this review to give you an honest look at what's good and bad about the SYINTAO Slushie Machine. And trust me, there are some surprises in store for you. So, if you're considering buying one of these machines, keep reading, it'll be worth your while. But before we dive deeper into the pros and cons of this product, let me ask you another question. What do you look for when buying a kitchen appliance? Is it durability, ease of use, or perhaps customer service? Therefore, I've compiled a list of key features that make the SYINTAO Slushie Machine stand out from the rest. Here are some of its key benefits. Affordable price. Makes up to 3 liters of slushie at once. Durable and easy to clean. Compact design. But here's where things get interesting. While these features may sound great on paper, I've encountered some issues with customer service that have left a bad taste in my mouth. Therefore, I'll share my personal experience with you later on. For now, let's focus on the pros and cons of this product. Pros: affordable price. Easy to use. Makes plenty of slushie at once. Durable design. Cons: customer service issues. Some parts are flimsy or poorly made. Not ideal for heavy-duty use. Therefore, I want to emphasize that the SYINTAO Slushie Machine is still a solid choice for those who want to make slushies at home. However, if you're planning on using it extensively, you may want to consider other options. But don't just take my word for it. In this review, we'll explore some real-life scenarios where the SYINTAO Slushie Machine falls short of expectations. Scenario 1: Customer Service Nightmare. I ordered my SYINTAO Slushie Machine online, excited to start making slushies at home. However, when I received it, I noticed that one of the parts was missing, and customer service seemed completely unhelpful in resolving the issue. Therefore, this experience has left a bad taste in my mouth, and I want to warn others about the potential pitfalls of dealing with this company's customer service team. Scenario 2: Not ideal for heavy-duty use. As I mentioned earlier, one of the cons of the SYINTAO Slushie Machine is that it's not ideal for heavy-duty use. While it can make plenty of slushie at once, it may struggle to keep up with high demand, especially if you're planning on using it extensively. Therefore, this is something to consider before making a purchase decision. Scenario 3: Some parts are flimsy. Another issue I've encountered with the SYINTAO Slushie Machine is that some of its parts are flimsy or poorly made. While this may not be a deal-breaker for most users, it's still worth mentioning, especially if you're planning on using your machine extensively. Therefore, let me summarize what we've covered so far. Pros: affordable price, easy to use, makes plenty of slushie at once, durable design. Cons: customer service issues, some parts are flimsy or poorly made, not ideal for heavy-duty use. But here's the thing. Despite its flaws, the SYINTAO Slushie Machine is still a solid choice for those who want to make slushies at home. If you're willing to put up with some minor issues and tweak things accordingly, you can get great results. Therefore, I hope this review has been helpful in giving you an honest look at what's good and bad about the SYINTAO Slushie Machine. Remember to always do your research and consider multiple factors before making a purchase decision, especially when it comes to customer service. And that's not all. If you're interested in learning more about this product or checking out some other options, be sure to check out our link below for the best price on Amazon. For the best price, click the link in the description.